Hey, what's up YouTube? TMZ1313 here. I just want to show you guys what I've produced on the system so far and how things are going and what I need to get and what I need to improve on. One thing I would like to say is right now my panels are dead on in the right position. But when wintertime comes, they're going to be a little bit off. Um, I'm hesitant to make a mount to put them in the right area. We'll see though. That really depends on, because I spent like $100 to mount those solar panels on that roof. Actually, more than $100. I can imagine how much more it's going to be to make a new mount just for the winter time. It's going to be a whole big chore. But I might want to do it. So, anyways, first of all, I would like to show you guys what I produced since I've had these solar panels hooked up. I haven't really shown much, so let's do that. Now, actually, I would like to say first is what I do need here is more batteries. Simple as that, hands down. I need more batteries. In fact, I need 8 more. For these, the 4 that are in here right now, they just need to go in the garage. And I need to put 8 new ones in there. The reason being is that I'm basically depleting these every single night. Maybe about 50%. I kind of don't want to do that, but at the same time, it's like, that's what they're there for. That's what I'm going to do for now. They still got a lot of life in them, but I'm pretty sure this isn't helping their life cycle. So with that being said, I haven't been running full production, I guess you would say, off my transfer switch. Now my transfer switch, I actually do run 5 of the 6 circuits off of it. The only circuit I don't run off of it is my air conditioner. It's not my air conditioner itself, it's my furnace that has a blower motor that circulates the cold air throughout the house. So this is for my furnace. Now, I could run it, but when I'm running that, my fridge, all the lights, I'm looking at like 1100, 1200 watts coming out of this baby. And it doesn't like it, I could tell. Mostly when my voltage drops down pretty low, it doesn't like it at all. I'm kind of having my doubts about this inverter. I don't think it's going to last me that long. I hope it does. I really hope it does, but I've heard good things and bad things about this inverter, and so far it hasn't done me wrong, but it's had its few hiccups. So yes, that I do want to watch out for. I can't show you the kilowatts I've been saving only because I use that on my on-grid grid tie inverter. It's not operational right now, but I just need to put that back on there. But for now, this is this transfer switch is basically running everything in my house, from lights, plugs, all the lights and plugs. About 90% of the lights and plugs it runs off. So the only thing that I'm really never running off of is my actual air conditioner unit, which is sucking down power itself. I would like to see what my bill's going to be during the fall time when I don't need the air conditioner. I would really like to see what it does then. Okay, let's get to this though. So, let me get a good view for you guys. So today, I made 104 amp hours, 2.8 kilowatt hours. I got a 34 amp peak, 970 watt peak. My maximum was 28.8, my minimum was 24.9. Then the float, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm not going to repeat every one, but I'm going to go back a week or two to see what, just to show you guys what I've done. So that's yesterday. Got a 2.5 kilowatt hours, 32 amp peak, 940 kilowatt. This was a rainy day. I got amp peak of almost 10 amps, watt peak of 240.9, so not even a kilowatt of power. It was raining all that day. Here's another one. Nothing special. another one 4 days ago. That's my kilowatt hours right here. If you guys want to know, that's my watt peak. 760 watts. That's my amp peak right there. 6 days ago. Look at that. I got 1,000 watts. That's how you know your panels are in the right direction when you're getting almost damn near close to your rated power. Almost 37 amps. I should the panels are only ever producing 30 amps max, so that just shows you the MPPT function kicking in. Nothing special with that. Alright, here we go. Here's something even better. Now this day, I was in like full production all day. I think it was on Saturday, so my day was off. You can tell I wasn't even absorb or float mode for long. Got 213 amp hours, 5.6 kilowatt. Look at that. 1,020 watt peak. 37.8, so almost 38 amps coming in. Look how low my voltage was that day. 23.2. That's probably under load, but yeah, that's those batteries, they're doing a lot of work for me right now. So here, I think this is when I had, no, this is still, this is when I changed my solar panels. I didn't have it hooked up that day. So this was before, when I only had 3 panels hooked up. So 3.1 kilowatt hours off 3 panels, not bad. That must have been the first day. Yep, that's the first day I had it hooked up. Alright, let me show you, let me go back to here. So this is pretty cool. It's telling me my max watts. I got 1,023 watts. Kilowatt AC. So I got 50 kilowatt AC hours. Kiloamp hours. Wow, 2,000 amp hours. That's a decent amount. 56. I don't know exactly what that means. Huh. I don't know exactly. Oh, this is DC. So 56 kilowatt hours DC. So not bad. I'm just trying to figure all this out. Max wattage, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's what I'm producing right now. It's 8:30 at night. Basically sundown. I'm in float mode. I got it under load. I got about 200 watts coming out, so it's under load. Alright guys, I didn't mean to make this video so long, but just want to show you guys what was going on. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.